Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new exit and entrance for Highway 2000 in the Freetown area. This exit was always here, but there was no entrance from this road to the highway to head to Mandeville. So we are going to show you the new entrance that they put in on this side, and they also put in an exit on the other side. That's the Hypro factory straight ahead. So we're going to turn now, make a U-turn basically, and show you the entrance. Okay, so this is a new entrance now that they just opened. So in a sense, this Freetown exit it's now a diamond interchange basically. You can get on and off the highway and go in any direction you want to go. So this was done because there is a lot of development along this road. This area, Freetown, is in Clarendon, and also areas in St. Catherine close to Freetown. A lot of housing developments have gone up. A lot of developments. We're just showing you the roads again. A lot of developments have gone up, so there is a lot more usage of the road basically. So the Trans Jamaica Highway, who is in charge of this highway, decided to improve the interchange here. They are also going to build a new interchange by Innswood. Is it Innswood? Yeah, Innswood. That one hasn't started yet, but now that this one is complete, they probably will start that one very soon. We will keep you updated on that development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now this highway that we're going on takes you from Kingston to Mandeville. Eventually it's going to be expanded from Mandeville to Black River, Haddo actually to be specific, right on the outskirts of Black River. And then from Haddo, it's going to go to Montego Bay, and then from Haddo, it's also going to go to Negril. So you basically can drive on this road from Kingston to Negril, or you can get on the road from Freetown, where we just got on, and go to Kingston, go to Montego Bay, or go to Negril. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.